Hello, welcome to anti-aging efforts to look younger. Beautiful skin outside begins with good health on the inside. Can you imagine any unhealthy, ill person with a great, bright, firm skin look? It's usually not possible. The perfect beauty cannot come only from a cosmetic bottle. Whatever perfect ingredient product you put on the outside of the skin, if from the inside your skin is struggling the problems of the internal health, it will be like an apple with an apple worm. You can polish the outside of the apple and it will seem to look shining and delicious, but as the inside worm is eating the inner strength of the apple, soon the skin of the apple will get worse even you polish the outside 3 times a day. If you are not getting enough beauty sleep every day, if you are smoking or your husband or friends are smoking around you, if you are drinking too much alcohol and don't eat properly, and if you are not getting the essential vitamins that you should get every day, like vitamin A, C and E, if you are using only the products on the outside of your skin, but you are not caring your internal health, you will not get the best results for your skin. Surgical solutions like facelifts seem to have a quick results, but it will not look natural despite the high cost and the pain. Anything will not help you get the perfect skin if you don't have the perfect inside. We all know how we look on the days that we don't sleep well, or on the days after the last night of drinking alcohol, and also if not eating well, your skin will also show this like a mirror.